When it comes to online courses, the biggest challenge is not usually creating the course. It's converting interested people into buyers. In this video, I will show you how to create a sales funnel for your online course that does exactly that. Plus, I will give you a free course funnel template to plug in and start using today. As always, use the timestamps below to jump to the part of the video that is relevant to you. And now let's get started. The first thing we need to look at is the funnel structure. There are multiple funnel types you can use for your online course, and you can explore all of them in the linked video. But in this video, we will cover the most essential funnel that you would use to sell your online course. A sales funnel usually includes three main pages. A sales page, where you show your audience how your course will help them and provide the transformation they desire. An order form, where people enter their payment information and check out, and an order confirmation page that wraps up the process. If you have additional products you want to offer alongside your course, you can expand this funnel by adding an upsell and a downsell pages after the order form. If someone wants to buy the product on your upsell page, they can add it to their order with one click without the need to enter their billing information once again. After that, they will be redirected to the order confirmation page. If they decline the upsell, they will go to a downsell page, offering a lower priced product, and then go to the order confirmation page, no matter if they bought the downsell product or not. So now that you've got the big picture of how the funnel works, the next step is choosing the right tool to build it. The option I usually recommend is Clickfunnels, because it makes the whole funnel building process really simple, even if you're not tech savvy. You can also host your course there and use other features like, for example, community, automations, and CRM, which means you don't need to pay for other separate software tools. I will leave the link to an extended 30-day Clickfunnels trial in the description of the video. If you use our link, you will also receive our course funnel template and a comprehensive Clickfunnels course as a bonus. That said, you don't have to use Clickfunnels if you already have another platform you're comfortable with and that allows you to build a funnel. The funnel structure itself stays the same no matter where you build it. Now let's see how you can create a sales funnel for your course step by step. If you decide to get our course funnel template, you only need to update the copy, graphics or video, otherwise just follow along. From your Clickfunnels dashboard, navigate to Funnels and then either click Create Funnel if you're starting from scratch, or if you imported our course funnel template, you will also see it here. To start editing it, you will need to click on the name of the funnel. If you start building your funnel from scratch, you will be able to use funnel templates that are available in Clickfunnels. There is no course funnel template, but you can adjust one of the templates that are available and just use it as a foundation for your future funnel. Otherwise, you can start from scratch and also use page templates and section templates on the page. I will use our course funnel template as an example. Once you open the funnel, you will see all the pages that this funnel includes. If you want to add a new page, just click the plus icon and then select page. Then you will be able to select the category or the page type and then select one of the templates that are available here. The pages of the funnel are ordered in the way that the customers will go through when they go through your funnel, and you can easily rearrange them if needed, just by dragging and dropping them in the new spot. As mentioned before, our course funnel consists of a sales page, an order form, and an order confirmation page. Let's start with a sales page, see what kind of layout it should have and how you can build one. To start editing the page, click Edit. It will open the page editor for you. Of course, you can use different sections and different kind of content on your page, but this kind of layout that is already included in our template is a proven layout for the sales page. So in the beginning we have the hero section, we have a catchy headline, a sub-headline and a video. Also we have a button right after the video, so if somebody is already ready to take action and buy from you, they can easily do it here. Next we have a section with social proof. Then we have a call to action with yet another button. After that we have some reviews from the customers who took the course. Some sales copy that explains what kind of transformation this course will be able to provide to your customers. Then we have a section that breaks down what this course includes, what your customers will be able to achieve after they take this course. You can also mention different bonuses that you're offering with your course. Then we have a section that introduces the coach of this course, and also you can share your story. Before and after section that will drive the point home about what your customers will be able to achieve with your course. We put multiple buttons on the page, usually in the end of some content section, because we want to give the customers an opportunity to click the button and buy the course without scrolling back. Then we have a section with feedback and social proof. A section with an offer stack that once again highlights everything that your potential students will get and the benefits of your course. If it's relevant for you, you can also add some urgency with a countdown and of course, once again include some feedback. Last but not least, we have a section with FAQ that answers different questions about your course, and a footer with the links like terms and conditions, privacy policy and cookie policy. So that's the layout of the sales page that I would suggest and that you may see Russell Brunson usually using on his sales funnels because it's proven and it's converting. So if you use our course funnel template, that's the layout of the page that you will get. And if you're building from scratch or maybe even in a different tool, that's the layout that you can use as some kind of foundation. Now let me give you a quick overview of how the page editor in Clickfunnels works and also show you how easy it is to use. First of all, we have different building blocks in the editor. We have sections, the biggest building block, then we have rows, and rows may include one or multiple columns, and then we have different elements in the rows, like for example, a paragraph, a headline, different images, bullet lists, buttons, and so on. You can easily add different building blocks by clicking the Add button, like for example adding a section here, and then selecting from different templates that are available in Clickfunnels, or just creating a blank section. After that, we automatically go to adding a row, and you can decide how many columns you want to have in the row. And once that's done, you can easily add different elements to those columns. If this building block doesn't serve you right anymore, you can easily delete it. You can easily rearrange the sections, rows and elements on your page by using the arrows here or by dragging and dropping the elements. For example, if I would want to move this headline down, I would just use the arrow and it would move this row down. If I want to rearrange the elements, I just drag and drop them in the new spot. To edit the text, you just put the cursor in the text element. You can select the whole text, delete it, or just start typing your own text. You can also use the AI helper here to help you write your copy for the sales page. You can also easily change the look of the text and other elements in the settings of the specific element. For example, here we can select a style from a style block for this specific headline. Or we can adjust the style manually by changing the color, the font, the weight, and a lot of other different settings that you can see here. You can also easily undo the changes by clicking on the back arrow here. And same way, you can easily adjust other elements on the page. For example, if you would want to change this image, you would go to the settings, and then in the image URL field, you would click this icon and either upload an image from your device by clicking on this link, select an image from your gallery, or even from the stock platforms. Let's take another example. If you want to update the button, you click the gear icon, which opens the settings of the button. Here you can easily update the text of the button. Select a different button action, like for example, go to a specific URL, submit order form, and a lot of other actions that are available here. And of course, update the look of the button. As you can see, you don't need to be tech-savvy to be able to edit the page in Clickfunnels, and everything is quite easy and intuitive. Obviously, in this video, I will not be able to go into detail about building the pages in Clickfunnels and editing different elements on the page, but if you start your extended Clickfunnels trial using our link, you will also get our Clickfunnels course as a bonus, and that course actually walks you through all the basics and advanced techniques of building funnels in Clickfunnels. Alright, now that we know how to structure the sales page and how to edit it, let's go to the order form. You can switch between the funnel pages on the left here. An order form is a simple page. It usually contains a headline. Then we want to show once again what customers will get. We want to show the picture of the product and the whole offer stack. Of course, the price. It's also recommended to add some social proof, like in this case, a review from a customer. And the most important element that we need is a checkout form. Once again, it's quite easy to build in Clickfunnels. You already have a pre-made checkout element that includes all the components that you need to process the payment. You can start by selecting a template that will fit the style of your page. You of course will be able to adjust the colors and the look of the template. Then in the settings of the checkout element, you can decide what kind of information you want to request during the checkout. For example, do you need the billing information from the customer? If you have some order bumps, you can also add them here and select how they will look like. An order bump is usually a small product that complements your course, and it will be added to the checkout or to the order when the customer ticks this checkbox. You can adjust other settings, change the text of the button, and so on. But overall, this checkout form is already pre-built for you. You don't have to start anything from scratch, and it's already created the way it's supposed to be. Once the customer buys your course on the order form, they will then see the order confirmation page. An order confirmation page is also a quite simple page. We once again want to show an image of our product. We have some headline and subheadline, and we have the order confirmation element. It will be updated dynamically and will once again show what the customers bought on the previous page and confirm that their purchase was successful. You can also use this page to add a section like next steps, what your customers should do once they purchase the course. For example, check their email, join your community, join your live training if you have that in your course program. And if not, you can just keep this page as simple as this one. Once you built out all the pages for your funnel, you also need to connect your course product to the order form. We can do it directly from here by clicking the icon with 3 dots. Then go to Add Products. In my case, it's Manage Products because I already have products connected. Then you will click Add Product and select your course product that you want to sell on that funnel. Once your product is connected, it will look like this. That's the product that I already have added. And if you have an order bump, you will also see it here. After that, you can go to the settings of the funnel. And first of all, connect the domain to the funnel, set the funnel path URL, and last but not least, make the funnel live. Next, you want to test your funnel thoroughly to ensure that everything is working as expected. To help you do that, we created a free funnel launch checklist, and you can grab it using the link in the description. And that's how you build a sales funnel for your online course. With a funnel like that, you've got everything you need to guide people from discovering your course all the way to buying and enrolling. Remember, you will find a link to a free 30-day Clickfunnels trial instead of the usual 14-day trial in the description of this video. If you create your account using our link, you will get our Done For You course funnel and the Clickfunnels course as a bonus. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.